Hello, Professor Krasner's ENG102 class. Once again, it's Dan Calandro from the Mercer County Community College Library, here to help you with your paper on Elie Wiesel's Night and the Holocaust. Last time for the databases, I showed you Mersearch JSTOR. Hopefully those were helpful. And this time I'm going to show you our electronic books, ebrary specifically. Just like the databases, ebrary is based off of keyword terms. So again, the topic that you used in the databases, if you have come up with a good set of keyword terms that's working for you, great, just like last time, go ahead and copy it into ebrary, and you can hopefully get some more excellent search results to help you with your paper. Okay. So unlike the databases, ebrary is going to contain books. They're all electronic. They are full text, which is fantastic. And you could even search within them. So I will show you how to do that. And we'll use that same topic from last time, the human experimentation topic. So let's go ahead and take a look at ebrary. Once again, your professor's asking you to write on Elie Wiesel's Night as a jumping off point, and then something having to do with the Holocaust, big business, American Nazi regime. There's lots that you can pick from. I selected the human experimentation one. All right, so what we can do is now go check out ebrary. Just like the databases, you start off by heading to the main Mercer website, scrolling down, and going to the library services page. From there, on the left-hand side, we took a look under the databases by subject last time. This time we're going to use ebrary. So click on the ebrary link and it'll open up for you. And again, just like last time, if you had a search that worked really well for you, here I'm going to type in Holocaust and human experimentation, and I can go ahead and do that search. Now instead of getting articles, I'm going to get books. And you'll notice here I still got a lot over 9,000. So again, if you wanted to, just like in the databases, I can take that phrase human experimentation or doctor's trial like I did last time, search for it, and it's going to find me that exact phrase, those two words next to each other in the book. And if you look, here we go, it has gone down from over 9,000 to 350. Now we can go ahead and we can take a look at these books and see if there's anything interesting. And we can scroll through it. So let's go ahead, we'll click on one here. Okay, so there's Japan. Let's try this one here. When you click on a book, it doesn't take you to the book right away. It takes you to some info about the book. Take a look at the description. Here, this is going to very quickly tell you what this article is, what this book is about. You can also use the table of contents to give you an idea. So here we can see the chapters within the book. You can see the subsections as well. So maybe there's one here just on the Holocaust. We can do that. Now, this book did come up, but we don't see the word Holocaust anywhere. That's okay. We see Nazis, so chances are it's probably going to be in here. How do we find it? We can click on a chapter to go into the book, or we can click over here on the left where it says Read Online. Either way will take us into the book, and then we can go ahead and we can scroll through the book. There's our reading pane right there. You can see it's actually found some phrases already. So what we can do is here scroll through and see, or on the left, we can type in Holocaust, and it'll actually search within the book for us and show us where that keyword terms appear. There it is. So that little arrow shows us here in chapter 1 on page 19, somewhere in the footnote, the word Holocaust appears twice. There they are, Holocaust, Holocaust. So we may want to type in Nazi and search. There, that got us some more. Again, over here, there's that little arrow. You can click on that, and it'll say, okay, on page 3, it has 3 search results, so there you go. And you can go ahead, and you can basically hop through the book this way, finding information that you are interested in. If you want to, see where it says Nuremberg codes, so my previous key phrase of doctor's trial, we can use that as a phrase, put it in the double quotes just like last time, hit search, again in chapter 1, you can click that little arrow, okay, it says on page 12, it has found our phrase doctor's trial, there it is, okay. So again, if you are interested in a particular phrase, you can very quickly search through this, several hundred-page book to find the information you are looking for. Since it is basically a database, you guys have the ability to generate PDFs of the pages that you're interested in. Here where it says print to PDF, go ahead, click on that, and you can do individual pages, you can do a range of pages, or a chapter, it's up to you. You can also go ahead and have the citation made for you as well. By clicking on that little quote bubble there, it'll generate the citation. And again, you can copy and paste this into your search result. Now, if you look closely at this one, this tells you that it is an edited volume. So what you will want to do is you will want to go ahead and use the individual chapter authors for your authors and do it that way. If you want, I can make a video for you guys showing you how to use a very nice tool that we have here on our website under citation guides, the NC State Citation Builder. You know what, I'll just make a video showing you guys how to do that really quickly. But you can create citations here for a book, a chapter, newspapers, whatever it is you have, and then you simply pick the style that you want, okay? All right, I hope that was helpful. If you guys get stuck or lost or anything, please let us know. Contact us. Email is the best way. If you want to try and set up a Google Hangout with us, you can do that as well. But if you get stuck, please contact us. Let us know. We'll be happy to help you out. Okay, guys, that's it for now. Thank you. Bye.